before I go to my colleagues who are in fact joining me from different parts of the country, let me quickly tell you what exactly is happening right on your screens. We're getting live visuals from Delhi, Gorakhpur and Visakhapatnam. Well, the Prime Minister has already arrived in Visakhapatnam and very shortly he will be leading from the front. The participants there in fact have turned up in large numbers. They also want to participate in yoga with Prime Minister leading from the front on International Yoga Day. And of course, these are the visuals from national capital, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta there along with there in fact Manoj, Kapil Mishra and others participating in Yoga Day celebrations, International Yoga Day. And in fact, what's truly remarkable here is how year after year the global traction for yoga only grows stronger. From the icy heights of Pangong to the shores of Vizag to Delhi to Gorakhpur, yoga has truly become India's gift to the world. In fact, let me quickly go across to my colleague Vajiullah, who joins me live from Bengaluru. Vaji, very interesting visuals, you showed us a while back. Now here we do understand that Bangalore always had a bit of everything. Traditional yoga, experimental formats. What's really catching the attention this year?
Well, Neha, right now I have myself seen close to 2 performances here. One through song, yoga, the importance of yoga through a song, and then a group of Mysore girls who had come here and performed here, and that was impeccable. And right now also you have somebody performing asanas over here and showing the importance of yoga. And that is what we are all here for today at the 11th International Yoga Festival Day. And exactly like you said, India has made sure that yoga has become the go-to wellness theme for everybody. And I have a few people with me over here. Let me just speak to them also and understand how important is yoga for them. Sir, so many people have gathered here today morning, sir. How important is this, and what is the significance of all of this?
Yoga is a very useful technique for everybody's life, and it gives the panchamukhi, like your individual, then socialistic, your family, your emotional, your overall development happens through yoga, and it is one of the ancient and the best technique, and it is actually improving our personal life in the overall society.
So you do it every day, or you've come for today?
No, I do it every day. Since past 10 years, I have been doing this in Patanjali Yoga Shikshana Samiti. I have been doing this.
That's a great. I have a lot of. From when have you been doing yoga?
I'm doing from past 1 year. So I was doing in the Jiampalya in the Bengaluru. And yoga is very important in our life, because when in our yoga there is no voice. You'll be a small, you'll be a big, there's no saying. See, all can come and join the yoga and they can do all over the India. This is Sri Patanjali Yoga Shishana Samiti.
How has that changed your life?
Like before I used to be a very weight, now I am very less weight and I'm trying to be a diet people.
You get up every day in the morning? And
morning 5:30 I used to get up.
He's the most excited guy over here, and that's why I pulled him over here, Neha. And clearly from his words you can understand. So every day 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning you get up?
5:30 to 6:30.
5:30 to 6:30.
Every day.
What is the most favorite asana of yours?
I like to do Surya Namaskara and Vishnu Namaskara, Shiva Namaskara and Durga Namaskara. We'll do like the Namaskara ways.
Can you show one for our viewers? How?
I'll show the Shiva Namaskara.
Okay, done. So he's showing us the Shiva Namaskara. So now you can clearly see the excitement. You have people from all walks of life. You can perform. Kids, people from different age, different religions have all come here, and he's performing for us right here. And this is what we have come here to show to the people, that India produces wellness and the importance of inner peace. Now, I don't think any of us can do this, neither you nor me. And this kid is showing us how he can touch his hand from behind. So you clearly get an idea that how it has changed his life, and he has said, so this is what asana this is?
This is Shiva Namaskar.
And what is the importance of this?
This is the important of before the Yogi Gadu, the Rishi Gadu used to do in the Parvata. So this is only called Shiva Namaskara.
All right. So Neha, he is one of the kids who are here, and along with him, there are 5,000 people who are present here at the backdrop of the Vidhana Saudha. We have ministers also coming in here, and this is nothing but a grand event and a celebration of how important yoga is for the world. And here from Bengaluru, this is the representation that the city has given. And like you mentioned, you have people from all walks of life, be it IT, be it people from business background, be it people who are employees, government officer. Everyone is present here, and it is not just an early morning, it's an awakening for all of them from Vidhana Saudha. This is one of the places like the other 190 countries and 2,000 events that are going across the globe right now. We are one such from here in Bengaluru.